The MKJ Warrior Series is a rugged, Nett Warrior qualified connector built for modern soldier systems. Hi, I'm Tony Wittenberger and welcome to the Cannon Plug, where we spotlight the latest innovations in interconnect technology. Today we're proud to introduce a mission-ready solution built for the battlefield, the MKJ Warrior Series. Specifically designed for modern soldier systems, the MKJ Warrior Series is Nett Warrior qualified by the U.S. Army, enabling reliable communication, navigation, and USB data and power in the harshest environments. MKJ Warrior is also European GOSRA and NATO STANAG 4695 qualified. Its rugged design features Cannon's proven breakaway coupling with a canted retention spring system and a first mate, last break ground pin supporting hot swap USB capability, which is critical for soldiers on the move. These miniature circular connectors support a wide range of mission-critical end-user devices and displays, including headsets and push-to-talk units, power and data hubs, CW and stub batteries, visual augmentation systems, navigation and timing devices, helmet and body-mounted cameras, weapon sights, and body-conformal cabling systems. With proven durability and reliable performance in harsh environments, MKJ Warrior connectors enable warfighters to stay connected, informed, and mission-ready. Available in rear crimp, solder cup, and PCB mount options, this connector is built with black zinc nickel plating, rated at 2,000 mating cycles, and supports 5 to 10 amps of power with higher current options available on request. And it's not just the connector. ITT Cannon offers complete custom cable solutions with lightweight, low-profile designs and overmolds that meet military-grade performance. Whether it's data, power, or both, the MKJ Warrior Series delivers when it matters most. Contact our sales team today to learn how ITT Cannon can support your next mission-critical application. Check the link below for more information, and thanks for watching.